visiting, now you're seeing the video from the homestead on our third visit there, and we really gutted the place out and we got rid of a lot of stuff, as you can see. That trailer camper there, it was just falling apart. We couldn't even move it, so we had to burn it right where it sat. So anyway, all the aluminum all melted down to next to nothing, so I've done a really good job of cleaning it up. So
But Mac was a fine building here, buddy.
well,
Oh, was it? So whatever we take to the
yes, no rhyme or reason to it all, eh?
Well, you can go up there. And
No, that's, you can see up there, that's all just 2 rooms up there.
this is a big building, buddy.
Yep.
And you can't tell, this is part of the roof here. Oh, okay.
Knock her down.
No, we're not. You can put home now. You do it there in Toronto.
Boy, what a way to build that. Well, lots of work done. I had some friends come down and help out. Get rid of this piece that was on here. Working on the old homestead. So that's a major, not major, but a nice little addition there. That was all rotten and not serving any purpose. So it's got to be all repurposed. stay tuned to the next video. You'll see when we went there this summer and we purchased a trailer and put on the property, and we got some good progress on that trip. So it really makes a big difference when you're staying there overnight, and you can get at your work early in the morning and work all day on it.